Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with an unboxing and review video. This time we have the Alaska Airlines 737-700 by NG models. This is a pretty old model in the sense that this was released back in August of 2022. I'm just now reviewing it because I just picked it up in the last couple months and I'm finally getting around to reviewing it. And it was one of those that honestly I probably didn't even consider getting at the time. It wasn't until recently when I almost got to fly on one of these from Seattle to LA, though they switched it, and I think there was the next flight of the day after mine was on one of them. But nonetheless, these do fly out of LA. They still got quite a few of these running. They fly up and down around the West Coast into Alaska, etc. So I decided to pick this up, and I know they have the cargo variant too that's actually flying in and out of LA too, doing some cargo runs. And I'm trying to get that. I was trying to pick it up with one of the NG, like the exchange program, but I don't know where it hasn't showed up yet. So I'm still waiting on that. But nonetheless, very excited to have this one. So let's take a look. This little Alaska 737-700. So November 681 Alpha Sierra. The standard NG box looking very nice with the Eskimo face. Get out the box. I already took the card out to redeem the points on that. But it did come with a card. There we go. This looks really nice. Alright. Let's get out of the packaging here. There we go. Very nice. Look at this little guy. All right, so here we have it, the Alaska 737-700. Very nice looking little aircraft. We've got the excellent mold here with the nose and the gear. Everything looking really good there. L1 door. And everything. Actually, is that the name of the aircraft right there? I don't know. I think that's just Boeing. It just says Boeing 737-700 right there under the cockpit window right there. You got the front door there with some writing right next to it. I cannot read that, but yeah, Alaska titles right there, looking very nice. The CFM engines right there, looking really good. The little winglets looking fantastic. Great detail here on the wing as well, with the one single overwing exit door and the markings looking fantastic. Got the antenna on the top there. No Wi-Fi dome or anything on this one. I don't believe they've added. They may have. I can't remember. I've seen them, but I honestly didn't pay attention. I should have. To say, oh yeah, they've added the Wi-Fi dome on top or not, but I don't think they do have it. Anyway, November 618 Alpha Sierra, the American flag right there, and then the aft door right there, with the beautiful Alaska tail and the Eskimo right there. Eskimo? Yeah, I believe. Sorry. But yeah, looking excellent. Very nice. There we go. Now on this side, got the little baggage door right back there, and then the one up at the front here. Very, very plain, pretty plain model, pretty simple. Not a whole lot else, and then the underneath is just pretty plain and straightforward. The gear all rolls and is very nice. No broken pieces or anything, so that's a good thing. But yeah, so here we have it. The Alaska 737-700. As I said, I'm hoping to get I guess it would be the freighter conversion of the 700 Boeing converted freighter. But not sure when that's going to come. But when it does, I will do a video on it as well. But yeah, happy to have this one into the collection, that's for sure. Another little 737-700. And it'll be excited to feature this in a video in the future. That's for sure. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I think that's going to do it for this one. So if you did enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.